Hello everyone, this is Circular from Global Support Organization. We have come to Hrudayalayam, which is a special school for children out here. Vishali Garu and Ganesh Garu are looking after these special children out here. These days it is very difficult to find staff to look after special children. They also have difficulty in finding gas because there is gas shortage. They are literally cooking food using wood, and they don't have cooks and stuff like that as well. So handling 51 children who are quite difficult to handle is a very big challenge that they are facing. And looking after these special children, and they're also having problem with clothing, and they need groceries, they need gas, they need resources and stuff like that. They are seriously in need of funds. I've received a phone call from Vidya Garu and Sushmit Garu. It's their daughter's birthday. Their name is Anera. I would like to wish happy birthday to Anera. Happy birthday, Chapani. I'd like to thank Sushmit Garu and Vidya Garu and also Anera for sponsoring clothes and also cake for these special children. I would like to sincerely thank them for sponsoring this cause. Thank you, Chappandi.
ఫోన్ చూడక కొట్టుకో చూడు నాకు చూడు పాస్
Thank you so much. Okay, handling these children are quite difficult, so I'm going to, cake cutting ceremony. But again, thanks to Vishali Garu and thanks to Ganesh Garu. He is Ramana Garu, who is also in leprosy colony. On a monthly basis, we send the rice for Ramana Garu to support leprosy colony and homelessness. And I greatly appreciate Vishali Garu and Ganesh Garu for doing the great cause. Okay, let's celebrate. Cake cut chedam. Very good. Very good. अरे केक पेडताను केक తినండి ఓకే అవి కూర్చోవాలి సార్ కలిద్దరికి ఇచ్చి నీకేం రాదే బట్టలు
వద్దు మా అన్నది దొగ్గు
ఓకే వెరీ
ఆడుకోండి పైకి వెళ్ళకుండా
పట్టుకుంటావా
నన్ను కొట్టాలని
చెప్పమ్మా అక్కడే నిల్చోవాలి ఫస్ట్ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నీ పేరు వెరీ గుడ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే అన్నయ్య గౌరీ వెరీ నైస్ థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పు అక్కడ పేరు పద్మ నమస్కారం చేయాలనుకుంటే ఈరోజు తనకే పెట్టమంటారా లలిత దుర్గా వెల్కమ్ That's the sky and the moon there. We love you. Love, 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 love. Happy birthday, Rera. We love you. Come to Hridayalayam Special School and look at the moon here. It's so pretty. Sky is so beautiful. Stars beautiful. I love you all. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు తిరుమల గమ్ సపోర్ట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. ఇక్కడ మేము హృదయాలయంలోని స్పెషల్ స్కూల్కి వచ్చాము. ఇక్కడ అన్నయ్య బర్త్డే సెలబ్రేట్ వచ్చాము. అన్నయ్య పేరెంట్స్ వచ్చి గారు 33,000 పంపించారు బట్టలు అండ్ కేక్ ఇవన్నీ సెలబ్రేట్ చేయడానికి. అన్నయ్యకి సుష్మిత్ గారికి విద్య గారికి థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ సెలబ్రేటింగ్ అన్నయ్యస్ బర్త్డే హియర్. ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళకి గ్యాస్ దొరక చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారు. కట్టెల పొయ్యి మీద వండాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళకి గ్రాసరీస్కి ఇబ్బంది ఉంది. ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ రైస్కి ఇబ్బంది ఉంది. ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ పిల్లలకి బట్టలకి ఇబ్బంది ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ లోకల్గా నిడదవోల్లో రమణ గారు ఈయన కూడా హోమ్లెస్ వాళ్ళకి చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ప్లీజ్ ఎవరైనా డోనర్స్ ఇక్కడ నిడదవోల్లో ఉన్న హృదయాలయానికి గ్రాసరీస్ కానీ బియ్యానికి కానీ బట్టలకు కానీ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తే ఈ పిల్లలకి కొంచెం హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ విశాలి గారికి అండ్ గణేష్ గారికి వీళ్ళు చేస్తున్న ఎఫర్ట్స్కి ఐఎమ్ రియలీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ అండ్ గ్రేట్ఫుల్. పిల్లలు 51 మంది ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. ఇలాంటి ఈ పిల్లల్ని చూసుకోవడం చాలా చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ స్టాఫ్ కూడా వీళ్ళకి లేరు. బట్ వీళ్ళు చాలా డెడికేటెడ్గా చేస్తున్నారు. ఐఎమ్ సో గ్రేట్ఫుల్ ఫర్ దేర్ సర్వీస్. Once again, thank you Anaira, thank you Shushmit, and thank you Vidya Garu. This is Trikla from Global Support Organization and Motherly. I would like to thank Shushmit Garu, Vidya Garu and Anaira Garu for contributing 33,000 rupees for buying clothes and cake and for celebrating Anaira's birthday at Hridayalayam Special School. They are currently struggling for groceries, they are struggling for rice, they are struggling for clothes. They even don't have gas. They are literally doing everything using wood, and they don't even have staff. So this particular organization deserves help. So we are looking for sponsors. If anybody would like to come forward and support Hridayalayam, can kindly contact us. We will be pleased to support you, support them. We just want to connect the dots. Everything will be very transparent of what we do, how we do and stuff like that. So we request donors. We request individual group of people, CSR teams from India, UK, UAE and all over the world to come over to support Hridayalayam and the Global Support Organization and Motherly. We have several orphanages, special schools, leprosy colony, homeless people who deserve help. If anybody would like to support, please do contact us. This is Trikla Channa from Global Support Organization and Motherly.
Jai Hind.
Special educator, intellectual disability. So we are, myself and Ganesh Babu Garu, both we are serving these kind of people. Here 51 people are living with us with free of cost. We have no funding, national or international funding, state government funding, no. We have no funding, but you are giving good support to us, just like through Vikala Garu like that. Yeah, we have taken, this is third time like that. We are taking support from this Global Support Organization. Here very needs, more needs we have. Because of all people have intellectual disability, visual impairment and hearing impairment also people 5 years years to 70 years years. Yeah, so many people are awaiting for us. When we are giving support this kind of people. In this morning also I got a call from one oldest blind people. So what she is requesting, we want to be with you, end of the life. So give good support, but we have no funding, no groceries, no clothing, no. Mainly we have need support from the public who are servicing to these kind of people with their good. Yeah, no one is not interested. Everybody is saying this is very good organization, giving good support to the public, but no one is not coming literally. Yeah, everything we have to do. Nail cutting also, shaving, hair cutting, everything we have to do only. But how can we do forward like this people? How much people we can survive? This is very difficult to run this organization because we started 2006. So we have to stable this organization in this place. In 3 districts, East, West Godavari, Yellore, like that. Special home for adult women, there is no home. So please support us.
Sure.
We are really thanks to Sushmita Garu and my wishes to Anaira Garu. Really thank you so much giving good support to us. Thank you so much.
And I forgot to mention this particular special children's school is actually supporting special children with physiotherapy treatment as well. They are in need of physiotherapy as well. The physiotherapy treatment can cost around 40,000 rupees on a monthly basis. That is what I've been advised by Ganesh. If anybody would like to sponsor physiotherapy sessions, can kindly contact us as well. Because these children, not only these children, there are several, special children across these 3 districts who have disabilities and they need physiotherapy treatments. So if anybody want to sponsor physiotherapy sessions, can kindly contact us. We will be pleased to organize medical camps for them. Thank you so much.